Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can find message requests on Facebook. So let's start. So what you want to do is just be on Facebook and you need to go to Messenger. You can go do it through Facebook, right? What you need to do is here, you're gonna see chats here, go left top corner, and then you're gonna see here message requests. Click on it, and then you're gonna see spam here, or you may know. So these are the message requests I got here, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, again, you need to be in Messenger, go to left top corner, and right here, go to message requests. Thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.